Hey you guys, what is up? I wanted to come on and share something with you guys. Now that we have to wear masks, in the stores now, more places are opening up, but you are required to wear a mask. And most of the boxes of masks are quite expensive. As I saw the other day, as I priced them, they were $30 and up for a box. Some places you can find 10 for maybe 15 bucks, or you can get one mask for $2 to $3. If you don't have the money to purchase it, or you don't want to keep buying the disposable ones, a good idea is to do a homemade mask, which they sent an alert out saying that you can wear a homemade mask. Now, it does not have to be special mask. So I picked up 2 bandanas. These are from the dollar store, but you can find bandanas anywhere. You can find them at Walmart, any beauty supply store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar. You can pick up a bandana anywhere from $1 to $1.50. And what's great is you can wash these. So that's what I thought about was a good idea. You can reuse them and you can wash them. So this packet came with 2. Some places you can maybe only get 1, but this was a good find. They only had red and blue left. So I opened a pack already, so I'm going to show you guys here what I do with this red one. Also, you'll need some ponytail holders, which is why I picked up these really thin ones that need some good stretch to it, because it's going to have to stretch over your ear. But these, you can see they're thin, and you get 100 of them at the dollar store. So you get a bunch of them in case they snap or something, you'll have some more to use. So what you're going to do is, this one's folded in half already, and I may end up cutting the tag off at some point just to get it out of the way. I'm trying to get this little plastic off of here. Okay. I may cut this off just to keep it out the way, but for now I'll leave it there. So it's just just fold it in half the long way, and then fold it in half again, and you can, depending on how wide you want it, you can keep this way. You can fold it down a little bit more if you don't need it so wide, but I'm just going to keep it like this for now, just to show you guys exactly what it is. I saw this somewhere, and I started doing it myself. So you'll need 2 ponytail holders. And what you're going to do is put your ponytail holders on the ends. You're probably going to have to adjust this as you go, or put it on your face. So both ends, you want to apply the ponytail holders to both ends. Like I said, we may have to adjust it, but for now I'm going to leave it there. You're going to fold this end over. Okay. Fold the other end over to where you're probably put the metal part on the inside there, so that won't bother your ear. So this will be out both ends like this. Okay. So it should look like this. Okay, then I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys the rest, how you're going to put it on. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Very quick, very simple way to make your own DIY face mask. And like I say, if you want it to not be as wide, just fold it down a little bit more like this, and you know, just make it to your liking. Just make sure you have the stretchy ponytail holders to make sure it's comfortably over your ear. I had some other ones that were kind of too thick and they were pulling, so far these feel a lot better than the other ones I had. And like I say, just keep the metal piece inside of here once you fold it over. That way that part won't be on your ear. It'll be just the plain ponytail holder around your ear. So yeah, that is basically it. Like I say, you could make it smaller, you could make it wider, pick up any color you like. So I just thought this was a fun, good way, you know, to have a reusable mask, and it's not very thin. It actually gives you a nice amount of thickness to it to keep you protected. And so far I haven't had any trouble breathing with it on. It's not too thick to where it's constricting the airway or anything like that. But yeah, I thought this was a cute idea. I wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do decide to go ahead and make one and try it out. I'd love to hear. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching.